What's up, Jamlab?
What up, man?
Picking up the car.
Yes, sir. Picking up the beast.
So we're
the four-digit bad boy.
So we're all set. We were ready.
Yeah. Poconos would have been fun, but you know, can't help Mother Nature.
Yeah.
You know, if it rains, it rains. So next time.
Next time we're gonna go get them. We were ready though. Yep. Prepared. Had the plan out.
Yeah, truck was ready. Trailer was ready.
Yeah.
Straps, fuel, car was ready. Were you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, I was ready. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna hit this. I'm gonna punch it. Yeah.
Yeah, this content gonna be serious. So.
Yeah.
This content's gonna be serious. 79, 80.
Yeah.
And no, we got 98.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's gonna be hard. Yeah, it's gonna
Damn.
be hard.
Whew.
Oh boy.
1100 plus wheel.
Oh boy.
What I wanted. Ooh, I'm gonna hold on. That was awesome. What do you think?
That thing was fucking crazy. That car moves.
Definitely, you heard me screaming in there.
Yes, I did.
You know, if the driver's screaming. Thank you, Jamlab, man. Thank you, man. Got me shaking right now. Look at my hand. Yo, did it maybe 80%, 75?
Yeah.
Because it is pushing back on you so much.
It looks like
you know, and then I'm just watching the RPM just.
Yep.
Yo. It was crazy.
It looked like it spun a little bit.
Yeah.
When you took off.
Yeah.
But the car is gone. The car is out.
Oh man. Can't thank you enough. And it's smooth.
Yes.
The way it's selecting the gears is not rough. It's not boom. It's not like a hard.
Smooth.
You don't feel a hard shock through the drive line or nothing. It just tastes like butter. Like.
Yeah.
All
can't wait to see that
all
video.
Jamlab right here. Jamlab Bill.
I gotta see that video though.
What we calling it? That's
what's it? A JLK?
Okay.